Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to create two bullets columns in MS Word. So friends, to create two bullets column, firstly click on insert. Now click on table. Now in here select two columns and rows as your requirement. And after creating two column table, insert your data. So friends, I insert a dummy data. Now select all. Now click on this bullets options. Now select any bullet style. After selecting bullet style, double click on it. So you will see now ribbon is changed. Now click on this tiny drop down menu icon and click on clear. That's it. So friends, by this very simple and easy method, we can create two bullets columns in MS Word. Hopefully friends, you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.